Still searching for an Amazon vacuum that actually works? With so many choices in 2026, it's easy to waste money on a model that loses suction in a month. Welcome to Top Home Finds. Today, we've narrowed it down to the 5 best vacuums on Amazon based on power, durability, and real user reviews. If this guide helps you out, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get right into the list. First up is the Shark Stratos Upright. Here are some advantages of the Shark Stratos Upright. Odor Neutralizer technology. Features a built-in system that guards against bad odors inside the vacuum, ensuring your home smells fresh and clean after every use. CleanSense IQ. Utilizes an infrared sensor to detect hidden dirt and automatically boosts suction power in real time for a more efficient and thorough deep clean. Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro employs a dual brush roll system that provides continuous contact on both carpets and hard floors, while specialized fins prevent hair wrap for maintenance-free operation. Check the description to get this vacuum at the best price. Next up is the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Here are some advantages of the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Illuminated dust detection. Features a precisely angled light integrated into the cleaner head that reveals twice as much invisible dust on hard floors, ensuring you never miss a spot. Intelligent suction optimization. Equipped with an integrated piezo sensor that continuously sizes and counts dust particles, automatically increasing suction power when higher concentrations of debris are detected. Real-time scientific proof. The built-in LCD screen displays a live breakdown of the particles being removed, providing visual evidence of a deep clean by showing exactly what has been vacuumed. Advanced detangling technology. Utilizes the digital motor bar cleaner head with polycarbonate vanes to automatically untangle hair from the brush bar as you clean, preventing clogs and maintaining peak performance. Check the description to get this vacuum at the best price. Next up is the Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. Here are some advantages of the Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. 3-in-1 versatile design. Easily transforms from an upright stick vacuum to a handheld or stair vacuum, allowing you to clean floors, furniture, and tight corners with a single machine. Ultra-lightweight construction. Weighing less than 4 pounds, its compact and feather-light frame makes it effortless to maneuver around the home and ideal for users with limited storage space. Multi-surface performance. Engineered to provide powerful suction across a variety of surfaces, including sealed hard floors, area rugs, and low-pile carpets for quick daily cleanups. Simplified maintenance. Features a bagless, easy-empty dirt tank and a washable filtration system, reducing long-term costs and making it easy to keep the vacuum at peak performance. Check the description to get this vacuum at the best price. Next up is the Kenmore 600 Series Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. Here are some advantages of the Kenmore 600 Series Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. Triple HEPA filtration system. Features a certified HEPA filter that captures 99.7% of dust, pollen, and allergens down to 0.3 microns, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Pet PowerMate motorized attachment. Includes a dedicated motorized nozzle designed to lift stubborn pet hair and dander from furniture, stairs, and upholstery with ease, preventing it from tangling in the brush. Pop-and-go floor brush. Equipped with a versatile dual nozzle system that allows you to store the hard floor brush inside the canister for quick, seamless transitions between carpet and bare floors. Extended reach and maneuverability. The lightweight canister design is paired with a telescoping wand and a flexible hose that provide over 10 feet of reach, allowing you to clean high ceilings, ceiling fans, and tight spaces behind furniture. Check the description to get this vacuum at the best price. And fifth, we have the Bissell CleanView Pet Plus. Here are some advantages of the Bissell CleanView Pet Plus. Advanced swivel steering provides exceptional maneuverability around furniture and household obstacles, allowing for effortless cleaning in tight spaces and around corners throughout the home. Triple action brush roll, specifically engineered to loosen, lift, and remove deeply embedded pet hair and stubborn dirt on carpets while remaining gentle enough to use on hard floors. Scatter-free technology, designed to prevent debris from scattering when cleaning hard surfaces, ensuring that dirt and pet dander are captured on the first pass rather than being pushed across the floor. Edge-to-edge cleaning performance features powerful suction that extends to the very edge of the vacuum head, making it highly effective at picking up dust and hair along baseboards, walls, and narrow crevices. Check the description to get this vacuum at the best price. And that wraps up our top 5 vacuums on Amazon for 2026. You can find links to all these products in the description below. Thank you so much for watching Top Home Finds. We truly wish you the very best in all your home projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.